Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making eggs and yogurt. Believe it or not, this is the flavor combo you've all been waiting for. We're making Turkish eggs with Greek yogurt, some garlic, and topped with burnt butter and poached eggs. I'm slightly afraid of poaching eggs in front of camera, but today I have good, fresh, free-range organic eggs, so I'm pretty confident they will turn out beautifully. We're gonna serve this dish with some sourdough bread and, of course, our lovely hummus. Let's get started. Crush 1 clove of garlic and mix it in with 200 grams of Greek yogurt. This recipe serves 2 people. Gently melt the butter in a small saucepan until it's just beginning to turn hazelnut brown. Add a pinch of chili and smoked paprika. Now poach the eggs. Add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to a simmering pot and gently slide in the eggs. Poach for 3 minutes until the whites are set and the yolks are still runny. Okay, now all we have to do is plate it up. We use the Greek yogurt. Put it in the middle like this. Spread it all over. And then gently put the egg on top. A sprinkle of salt and some freshly cracked pepper. Okay, now my favorite part, the chili butter. All we need to do is just slowly put it on top, as much as you want. That's almost done. Now all I need is some bread, and I won't toast it in the toaster. I'll put it on top of the chili butter. And some fresh herbs. You can put basil on top, dill, parsley. And once this is toasted, some hummus. You can skip this part if you don't want the hummus. And try it out. Oh my. Best combination ever. Enjoy.